Hello guys, I'm Mr. Mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video we're going to just draw another sketch sample, and in this sample we will draw these lines here and the circles here, and we will be able to draw this sketch in SolidWorks. Before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments, your subscription, your comments give me energy to upload more videos. So let's get started as soon as it's possible. Here I have my SolidWorks open. Here I click on new part, okay. Now we have a new part, and for the drawing sketch you need to choose a plane. So here we have three planes: front plane, top plane, and right plane. So I will tell you what's the use of these planes, but for now just click on the front plane and choose a sketch. And first thing first in drawing a sketch is to start with the origin point. So here the origin point is here, and we need to draw a center line, a horizontal center line. Here I choose center line, and I draw a center line here, and right click select and choose the center line here to make it infinite. So here choose infinite length. It's okay now. Here we have two circles in each other, so here I choose a 2-point circle and I draw two circles in each other. The dimension of the inner circle here, the smaller circle, is 18 millimeter. It is 18 millimeter, and the dimension of bigger circle is 24 millimeter. Now you can see it is fully defined. The color have changed. It means that our sketch is fully defined and I can't move it. It is fixed. So let's keep drawing our sketch. If you haven't seen the previous videos on my YouTube channel, please watch them. I have explained all of these tools, especially the first videos on my YouTube channel. So let's keep drawing. Here we have two lines, the vertical line and a line here. So here I choose line and I draw a vertical line. So choose this point and orange point here on this circle and draw a vertical line and connect this line to the center line here and right click select. Now choose a smart dimension and choose this point and the origin point here and give it 50 millimeter dimension, and the dimension from this point to this center line here is 14 millimeter. You can see it is fully defined. It became black. Now we have to mirror these two lines to this side of center line. So for doing that, just click on this tool, mirror entities, and choose these two entities here, entities to mirror. Choose these two lines, and here choose your center line. So be careful. Here you have to choose the center line, and here you have to choose those entities that you wanna mirror. So press OK. Now you can see these two lines have been copied to this side of the center line. And here we have two lines. You can see here we have a vertical line and a horizontal line. So for drawing that, just click on the line and start with the circle. So you can see it automatically connects your line to the points of the circles. Just press the escape button on your keyboard and do it again. So here choose it again. So again do it, choose the line, and here. So it sometimes happens. So again, it's a little bit hard. So now it's okay. Draw your vertical line and a horizontal line. So it sometimes happens. It has a kind of a magnetic sense. It connects these points to the points of the circle here. So there's a setting in SolidWorks, but you can just escape the tool and again do it for 1 or 2 times. So anyway, the dimension of this line is 24 millimeter, and the dimension from this line to the origin point is 6 millimeter. Our sketch is not still fully defined. You can see it is still moving because we need to give it a dimension. The dimension from this line to this center line is 14 millimeter. Now it is fully defined. And here again I choose line, and we have to draw a horizontal line. So here again I choose this, so you can see it has a magnetic sense. Just escape and do it again. So again, I have to do it. It's a little bit annoying, really. Sometimes it annoys me. So now it's connected. Draw your horizontal line, and the dimension from this line to the center line is 5 millimeter. These 2 points, the point here, hold the control button on your keyboard and choose this point and the point here, and in add relation give it vertical relation. Now it's fully fine. And here we have to draw these 2 arcs. Here I choose 3-point arc and I choose this point and I draw an arc. The center of the arc must be this side of your sketch, and the dimension of the arc here is 90 millimeter, the radius of the arc. And here I choose line and I draw a vertical line. So here I choose this point of the arc and I draw a vertical line. So you can see as I move my line, a yellow symbol here appears. It means that if I click on the screen, you can see the vertical relation have been applied to my line, and here we have a vertical line. So for exiting the tool, this tool, the line, just right click and choose select, and here choose 3-point arc and connect this line to this point here, and the center of your arc must be this side of center line. And here choose a smart dimension, and the dimension of this line is 7.75 millimeter, and the dimension from this point here to the center line here is 20.53 millimeter. 20.53 millimeter. And our sketch is not fully defined. If you can't figure out why your sketch is not still fully defined, just move your sketch. You can see it is still moving. Why? Because you haven't given it a relation or a dimension. So let's see what's the problem here. So the sketch is not fully defined because it is moving. So you can see it is moving, and we need to give it a dimension. You can see this dimension is 57.96 millimeter. So sometimes I make mistake on purposely to realize that you are paying attention to the video or not. So here choose this point and the point here, and give it 57.96 millimeter. And now our sketch is not still fully defined. Why it is still not fully defined? So our sketch is not moving. It is becoming interesting to me because my sketch is not fully defined. So let's see what's the problem. Here choose this option, and here choose repair sketch, and it will show you what's the problem in your sketch. Here choose this glass and choose this symbol here. So it will show you what's the problem. So it seems to me there isn't any problem. Why is it happening? The lines are not moving and the sketch is still you can see sometimes I make mistake on purposely, but this one was not on purpose. So here we need to give it a dimension 90 millimeter radius. Now it is fully fine. Now we have to mirror these entities to this side of center line. Choose mirror entities and choose these entities here, and this one, and this one too. Here choose mirror about and choose the center line here and press OK. Now we have to just draw this arc, and here I choose 3-point arc and I choose and I draw a arc. Center of the arc must be this side of the sketch, okay? And the dimension, the radius of the arc is 90 millimeter, and the dimension from this point to this point is 10 millimeter. And this point of the arc is is coincident to the arc here. So hold the control button and choose this point and the arc here and give it coincident relation. It is fully fine, and you have to mirror this arc to this side of central line. So here choose mirror entities, this tool, and choose this entity, and in mirror about choose your center line. Okay. We have done our sketch. It was a very useful session of SolidWorks. You can see it's a little bit hard to see our sketch. So here in hide and show items, turn off your view sketch. The relations won't be shown. And if you wanna see your sketch much better, you can come hide and show items and turn off your view sketch dimensions. Now it's much better. I have uploaded more videos on my YouTube channel. You can see the previous videos. After now on, I will upload the more videos about drawing, about designing 3D models in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and post your comments if you have any questions.